In the last section, we created a legend on a graph. Another type of graph annotation that Igor can create is called a tag. Tags are useful when you want to attach a text label to a trace at a certain point or value. To create a tag, select the Graph Add Annotation menu item. Choose Tag from the pop-up menu in the upper left-hand corner. Make sure the Text tab is selected, and in the annotation area type when time is. Now, click the dynamic pop-up menu from the Insert area on the left side of the dialog, and then choose Attach Point X Value. Notice that when we do this, Igor inserts the corresponding escape code, in this case /0x, into the annotation text entry area. After the escape code, type magnitude is, then click the dynamic pop-up menu and select Attach Point Y Value. Notice how when we type an escape code into the text entry area, Igor inserts the appropriate value into the tag shown in the preview area. Switch to the Frame tab and choose None from the Annotation Frame pop-up menu. Then switch to the Tag Arrow tab and choose Arrow from the Connect Tag to Wave With pop-up menu. Finally, select the Position tab and choose Middle Center from the Anchor pop-up menu. Now click Do It to create the tag on the graph. Your graph should look like this. The tag is attached to the first point. An arrow is drawn from the center of the tag to the data point, but you can't see it because it's hidden by the tag itself. Position the cursor over the text of the tag and it changes to a hand. This means you can reposition the tag by dragging it. Drag the tag up and to the right so you can see the arrow. Let's say that we want the tag to be attached to a different point in the wave. We could open the annotation dialog, but there's an even easier way to do this. Hold the cursor over the text of the tag and hold down the Option key on a Macintosh or the Alt key on Windows. When you hold down this key, the cursor changes to a box. With the key still held down, click and drag the box cursor to a different data point on the wave. Notice how when you do this, the tag jumps to the new data point. Also, the dynamic values we entered into the tag update with new values. Notice that the tip of the arrow touches the marker, which doesn't look good. Let's change that. Double-click on the tag. This causes the Modify Annotation dialog to appear. Click the Tag Arrow tab and change the Line Arrow Standoff from Auto to 10. Click the Change button. Notice how the tip of the arrow stops 10 points from the marker.